In this video, I'll guide you how to turn on mobile data on Android phone using the latest method in 2026. To begin, unlock your Android device and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. This gives you quick access to essential settings. Next, swipe down once again to expand the full quick settings menu, where you will find multiple shortcut icons such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data. Now carefully locate the mobile data icon. It may appear as mobile data, or a small network symbol depending on your device model. Simply tap on it once to turn it on. After activation, the icon will become highlighted, indicating that your mobile internet is now active. To confirm it is working properly, check the top status bar where the data symbol 4G should appear. You can also open any app like YouTube, Facebook, or a browser to ensure your internet connection is active and stable. That's it. Your mobile data is now successfully enabled and ready to use for browsing, streaming, and online communication.